Before starting, just remember that velocity is the rate of change of displacement per time, and acceleration, the rate of change per time of velocity. Now, when we consider the function x, or s if you like, x is equal to 3t squared minus 6t, and you're told t is greater than or equal to 0. Initial position is when t is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, or the origin. For B, the velocity. Now the velocity is, in this instance, dx over dt, or ds over dt. And that's going to be 6t minus 6, and I assume meters per second. Now, when t is equal to 0, the velocity is negative 6 meters per second, or if you like, to the left, if we define motion to the left as negative, motion to the right as positive. Now, what time was the object momentarily at rest? Now, in C, you're asked for what time and position is the particle momentarily at rest. Now, that's going to occur when dv on dt is equal to 0, or 6t minus 6 is equal to 0, t is equal to 1 second. And when t is equal to 1 second, what we've got there is x is going to be 3 times 1, take 6 times 1, which is going to be 3 meters, or 3 meters to the left of the origin. Now, show that the particle is the origin when t is equal to 0. We'll do that in a moment. So when when t is equal to 2, I'll plug that into there. 3 times 2 squared, take 6 times 2, which gives me a total of 0. So therefore, at the origin. Now, in getting there, it might pay to have a bit of a think about what the graph would look like, because displacement is where something is at a point in time, directly from a reference point. So what's happened is that in 1 second, the object moved to there and then moved back. So I might just quickly locate where the minimum was. And you can see there, min at 1, negative 3. So in other words, the object has travelled 3 meters and 3 meters back. So therefore, i.e. 3 meters and 3 meter distance, 6 meters in total travel. So something interesting to think about there. Now, average speed is distance over time. So distance over time, which is 6 over 2, 3 meters per second. But the average velocity, though, is the displacement over time. Now, if an object's travelled to and from, got back to, there's no displacement, so hence no average velocity over that time period.